how to add a number in WhatsApp that's from a different country. If you want to add someone in your contacts or WhatsApp that is from a different country, you have to do it a bit differently because they will have something called country codes, and you have to enter the country code first before you enter their number. So in order to add contacts in WhatsApp, you have to add it in your phone first. So to add their phone number, I'm just going to show you right here. There will be something like these country codes. If you search for country codes on Google, it will show up. You can look at any of these websites. I'm just going to tap on the first one. And here are a list of all of the countries and their country codes right here. These are all of the country codes. And once you find your desired country, what you can do is just select, let's say if I want to add someone from Paraguay, their country code is this 595. So what I'm just gonna do is go to my mobile phone and then tap on plus sign, and their country code was, I believe, 595. Yes, so I'm just gonna type in 595, and after this you can enter the number. So as you can see, after the country code, the phone automatically detects a space, adds a space, so that the number will be separated. So if you do that, the number will be separated itself, and you can add the number like this. And if you add their names and contacts here and save it on your phone, your WhatsApp contacts will also be updated. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.